From the lakes of Minnesota to the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from sea to shining sea, from Detroit down to Houston and New York to LA. There's pride in every American heart, and it's time we stand and say that I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the
Welcome to the 2020 Veterans Day program, hosted by the Otselic Valley FFA. Though we cannot meet in person this year, I hope that you enjoy our virtual program.
On the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month, the fighting of World War I ended in 1918.
Due to the conclusion of the War to End All Wars, November 11th became a universally recognized day of celebration.
The day was originally declared Armistice Day 8 years after the end of World War I, and honored only veterans from that war.
Then in 1954, after World War II and the Korean War, it was renamed Veterans Day to honor all veterans who served America in war and defended democracy.
So today we honor all of the veterans who unselfishly placed their lives on the line for our freedom.
Those men and women were just ordinary people until they heard the call of duty and answered it. They left their families, their homes, and their lives, not for the recognition or the fame or even the honor we bestow them today.
They fought to protect our country, to maintain our way of life.
As we honor our veterans and remember the great deeds, let us also salute those who are currently fighting for our freedom.
The war on terrorism has helped us all realize how truly unique the American way of life is. The freedom we enjoy is extremely special, and that's why we must defend it.
So now it is a time to not only honor those who have fought or are fighting for our freedom. It is also the time for us, each of us, to take part in protecting it.
The defense of freedom is not just for those in the military. Each one of us shares that duty and that responsibility.
We don't have to join the Army or the Navy or any other organizations of defense to actively defend a way of life. We can protect our freedom simply by maintaining here in America.
If we want to preserve our freedoms, we must put them into action. For example, by voting in elections or speaking out against injustice.
We must ensure that everyone feels the benefits of freedom.
And we can do that by volunteering in our communities and teaching our children what it really means to be an American.
Veterans Day isn't a day for just veterans, it's also for all the Americans. It's a day to remember why they were fighting and a day for all of us to begin our journey of protecting our freedom and the freedom of many future generations.
Thank you for honoring our veterans today. Let us walk toward tomorrow, still honor them by living in the freedom they protected.